Martin, representing District of Imus 1. Thank you.
Why not is hated by some? Because it requires them to think and forces them to give the correct and exact value. The beauty of math. Right is right and wrong is wrong. A pleasant good morning to all. I'm Nathaniel Vincent T. Martinez from Elementary School of Anuling, representing the district of Mendez. Small but servant. Watch me.
Jacob from Santa Cristina Elementary School, District 2 of Las Marinas. I believe that time is precious than gold. Thank you.
Mathematics, they say, is a difficult subject. But for me, it's fun. You'll ask why? It's because mathematics does not make simple things complicated, but make complicated things simple. Ladies and gentlemen,